Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your Redmi Buds 6 Play on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line or click on search here and write Xiaomi. Now search. And you should install this application. I have it already installed, so I'm just delete it. And just click install. Now open it. Read, agree. Right here select your region and then click next. Skip, allow. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!